Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Mercedes Benz GLE 63 S AMG versus Trackhawk. Focus on real-world differences like ride, throttle response, and cabin comfort so you can decide. I will describe how each SUV behaves at moderate speed, during spirited runs, and on daily drives while noting fuel use and typical service expectations. Stay tuned for clear takeaways to match a car to your priorities. Both cars deliver immense power but feel distinct when pushed hard, so I will explain the character differences you feel on the throttle and steering. Expect details about launch behavior, mid-range surge, and how traction systems intervene during aggressive driving. I will point out braking performance, weight transfer characteristics, and suspension tuning that change confidence on twisty roads or long straights. These cues help choose based on driving style. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make trunk snacks civilized, preventing sauce disasters after a spirited drive and saving you cleanup time. They stack neatly and keep meals fresh between runs, which pairs oddly well with SUV ownership. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Assessing practicality is crucial because these performance SUVs must live with daily life, so I will cover comfort, cargo, and infotainment usability for errands and travel. I will note rear seat space, visibility, and ease of parking, along with typical fuel expectations during mixed driving. Consider ownership costs like tires and brakes that escalate with spirited driving, and how each car balances performance with everyday convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.